Welcome back, everyone. This video is going to discuss today's entrance ticket questions and answers, so please pay close attention and feel free to pause, rewind the video as needed so you can get the answers for your entrance ticket. So the first question is, what is a target audience? And a target audience is a specific group of people that an advertisement is aimed towards. So just like the image down here, you can see this group of this group of people in the photo that's in color. Whereas the rest of the group is in black and white. That's representing those specific people that the advertisement is trying to focus on. And a target audience basically affects the design choices of the advertisement depending on what age group, what demographic you are selling to. So that leads us to our second question, our follow-up question. And our follow-up question is, how does a target audience affect the design choices of a graphic designer's advertisement? So based on a certain target audience's behavior, their psychographic, demographic, geographic information, all those things, basically where they live, how old are they, what are their interests, all that stuff applies to their design. So let's just say, for example, I'm the shoe company Nike, and I want to sell a running shoe. Now, a running shoe, you think about people who are most physically active. Typically, it's a younger generation, whether it's teenagers, even kids, or young adults. I probably wouldn't want to sell a running shoe to, grandma and grandpa. Not to say that anybody can't run, but you want to pick who you're selling to. And typically, a running shoe is something that has a lot of physical activities for a younger generation, and that my advertisement basically might, for a running shoe, have a cheetah running side by side with someone wearing the shoes, and there's flames coming from behind the shoe because they're running so fast. So all those images would sell the product to a younger audience, where if I were Nike and creating an orthopedic shoe for foot comfort for someone who's older, I'd want to design my advertisement for the older generation, since that'd be my target audience, and maybe show someone walking comfortably or sitting comfortably, or maybe even show the inside of the shoe and the padded cushion. You want to make sure that your target audience is affecting the overall design choices of your advertisement. So to just sum up that question about how a target audience affects the design choices, is basically you want the design choices to relate to your target audience. You want to relate to their interests, to imagery that would represent them in their everyday lives, things like that. So that essentially answers that question. So at this point, you should have your product already determined. You should have your target audience determined. And today, as you begin to start your graphic design on Sketchbook, be thinking about your target audience as you create your design. Don't just randomly, create images to paste on Sketchbook. You should be planning your images and your theme around your target audience, depending on who it is. You want to make your design catchy. You want to really get their attention immediately, make your product large and in the center, and add all the information that was discussed in the previous class in your slide or in your advertisement, using text as well. So before you go and end this video and start your watch the next video, just a reminder that you should be creating every drawing in your design. Please do not download and paste images from the internet and keep that in your design. You can download an image and then trace it on a different layer, so at least the drawing is yours, but you cannot keep the original photo. Again, please don't download photos and save them to your advertisement. Alright, so that's it for this video. After this video, please complete your entrance ticket and then watch the how to layer using Sketchbook video. It's about 10 minutes long or so. I think I said 6 minutes in the previous video, but it's about 10 to 11 minutes. So watch that, fast forward as needed, but that is there for you. And if you don't know how to layer, if you have no idea what that is, please watch that so you understand how to do the project with ease using that program. Alright guys, I look forward to seeing the beginning of your advertisements today. Please make sure you complete everything on your task list, and I will talk to you soon. Alright, bye.